battle from me youth. Pain me face, but me still survive. Them scars are show me still alive. Scars tell my story. Pain turned to glory. Through the fire, me still rise surely. Every wound a lesson me carry. Scars tell my story. Pain turned to glory. Through the fire, me still rise surely. Every wound a lesson me carry. Scars tell my story. Scars tell my story. Broken days are my nights of cry. Still me never let the spirit die. What me face me can't erase, but love redeem me every place. Every cut a page, every bruise a line. Story of grace, my life design. Oh, scars tell my story endlessly. They not define me. They set me free.